mountain biking at Dupont Park, North Carolina. For those of you who think you're badasses biking in Markham Park, you ain't seen nothing yet. I fell at least a couple times and walked most of the way so far on the easy run. So, to walk down the last little bit or to ride, that is the question. I don't know, this is pretty steep and I've done some pretty gnarly stuff. So the honest answer is, I walked. Obviously he's an expert. So Chris and I started on this ridgeline trail first and both decided after walking most of it uphill that we would turn around and try gyms. So Chris and Jackson are both on gyms right now, and I'm going back to the truck, getting my lawn chair out and reading my book. For those of you who decide to come to Dupont, it's great mountain biking, and the moderate trails are not South Florida moderate. This is true mountain biking and slightly too difficult for me unless you don't mind walking most of the mountain bike trail. It is gorgeous and there are a lot of waterfalls around, so it makes for a nice day, but very difficult for someone like me used to Florida mountain biking. Minor abrasion, nothing that a little hand sanitizer won't fix. There you are. All right, let's go. So we're coming up on the covered bridge at Dupont State Park. Found some wild blackberries, just like Aunt Lorraine used to pick outside her home in Brevard. And we're having a really beautiful day so far. Bird poops.
Top of my phone.
So here's some more blackberries, but they're not ripe yet. Chris and Jackson won't eat them, so we're doing like the pilot's trick. I eat the blackberries, the two of them don't, and they took a picture of the plant in case one of us gets sick. At least we can get back to the truck. Oh! So we have to ask Terrell and Bill when we get back, are these wild blueberries? Not so sure yet. Not gonna try it. They're not ripe anyway, but they might be. These look like blueberries and taste like blueberries, so let's hope they're blueberries. We have arrived. Uh-oh.
His head. Let's go.
We're at Dave and Tina's cabin, as they call it, looking at beautiful deer from their porch. I think he noticed I was here.